Pairing your phone clip with your sound processor. Switch off your sound processor. Press and hold the lower button for 2 seconds. Switch on your phone clip. The green power light will flash when your phone clip is on. Remove the silver cap from the phone clip. Press the white pairing button on the phone clip once. The LED will flash yellow every 2 seconds to indicate that pairing mode is active. While pairing mode is active, switch on your sound processor. A blue indicator light will flash to show that pairing was successful. Place the silver cap back on the phone clip. You have successfully paired your sound processor and phone clip.